Hello everyone, welcome to Retevis Solutions. At the request of our YouTube fans, today we share with you the scan function of the Retevis RB26 GMRS Walkie Talkie. The scan function of the Walkie Talkie is usually a search method used to hear all channel codes. It is usually have time scan, carrier scan, and search scan. Today, we will not talk about the difference between these three scan methods in depth. We will mainly share the scan function of Retevis RB26 GMRS Walkie Talkie. Retevis RB26 GMRS Walkie Talkie is a carrier scan. Let's first take a look at the scan function setting in the Retevis RB26 GMRS Walkie Talkie program software. After open the program software, we can see the Scan Add option after the channel settings. Add means that you allow the channel to be scanned by others. That means when you speak on this channel, other people can find you through the scan function and talk to you. DEL stands for delete, which means that you don't want the channel to be scanned by others. If you choose delete when you speak on this channel, others will not be able to search for you through the scan function. Then we look at where do we need to set up the scan function of the Retevis RB26. Here, we need to define the start key. First, we define the PF1 key as the scan function in the program software. In the optional feature, we define the PF1 key as the scan function, and then we select the H channel as delete in the channel table, which means that it is not allowed to be scanned. And we maintain add for other channels, which means that it is allowed to be scanned. We set the two RB26 GMRS Walkie Talkie the same, and then write to the Walkie Talkie. Okay, the write is successful. Now, let's have a test. First, we open the radio.
1, 3.
First of all, we long press the PF1 key, because the short key is to change the channel.
2, 1, 14, 1.
We can, when we long press the PF1 key, we can hear a beep. The scan starts. Then we long press the PF1 key again. We can hear two beeps. The scan ends. Next, let's test the actual effect. First, we set the two RB26 to different channels. The first is set to channel 1, and the second is set to channel 3.
2, 1, 2, 3.
We can see that they can't talk to each other now. This means transmit. Here have no receive the signal. Then we turn on the first RB26 scan function. Long press the key. we can see that the scanning starts, the green light flash, and then we use the second RB26 Walkie Talkie to transmit. After scanning the signal, the scanning stops. The green light, here it is always on, and then the first radio can hear the second radio. We can have a test. Hello, 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 hello. If we adjust the second RB26 to 8 channel, which is the delete channel we just select in the software.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Then we open the first radio scan function. Scan begin. Then we press the second radio PTT. The first radio green light keeps flash. It can got the second radio channel. Even if the second radio is in the transmit state, the first radio can't scan to the first radio. This is the scanning function of the Retevis RB26 GMRS Walkie Talkie. You can turn it on or choose which channels can be scanned and which channels can't be scanned. Compared with other walkie-talkie, the scanning of Retevis RB26 is relatively intelligent. So, under what situation can we use this function? First, the frequency of the other one needs to be in your scan list. As we just set for this true RB26 GMRS Walkie Talkie, they have the same channel setting. Second, the other radio must be in the transmit state. The second radio, when it's in transmit, we press the PTT. Then the first radio can scan it. If it is not in the transmit state, the first one will can't scan it. Third, the distance between you and the other one must be within the effective co-distance range. If it exceeds the co-distance range, it will not be scanned. This is what we are sharing today. If you are interested in our Retevis RB26 GMRS Walkie Talkie, welcome to order by below link to enjoy the best price. If you have any questions, please comment below or contact us. See you.